Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a product review and demonstration. The Levoit company contacted me and asked me if I would like to review their newest hybrid ultrasonic humidifier, which is the LV550HH. I will link this product in the description box down below so you can check it out for yourself. Other than the unit itself, the product came with a remote control, which also included a battery inside. It also came with a 1-year warranty card. It also came with these 2 extra essential oil diffusion pads, and I will show you how those work as well. And a detailed instruction guide on how to use the product and how to clean it. So I've been using this humidifier in my bedroom for the last few days, and I love it. My room feels so fresh and airy when I'm using it. I even love the sleek, modern design, and it blends in perfectly with my current bedroom decor. And seriously, it's so quiet when I'm using it at night, and it's really relaxing to look at as well. This is the humidity sensor on the cord that measures the humidity in your room, so make sure you don't get this portion wet. First, you want to take off the dual 360-degree nozzle off of the top of the water basin. Then you want to unlock the water tank and take it off. Flip the tank upside down and unscrew the water tank cap. For best results, use distilled water, but you can use regular tap water if you do not have distilled water. Then you just fill your tank up. The tank will hold 1.4 gallons, and you can use it continuously for up to 36 hours before you need to refill it again. Then you want to screw back on the water tank cap and make sure it's secure. Then you want to lock the tank back into place. Once everything is secure, you'll want to put back on the 360-degree nozzle back on the top, and that's pretty much it. Then you can turn on the power button and start using the product. So now I'm going to test out the remote, and I'm going to turn it on and off, and it works great. The thing I love most about this humidifier is that you can also diffuse your favorite essential oils. All you do is pull out the cartridge on the back and drop a few drops of the oil onto the little pad. And don't worry, these can be cleaned and reused again, and you also get 2 extra ones. Then you just slide the cartridge back into the machine. And oh my God, let me tell you, it smells amazing in here. This product disperses the essential oils much better than the essential oil diffuser I was using before, and I really love this feature. Another awesome feature that this humidifier has is the automatic timer. You can set this for up to 12 continuous hours of use while you're sleeping, and it will shut off automatically. Also, the humidifier will turn off automatically once the water is completely out, so you don't have to worry about that. The humidifier also has 5 different misting levels that you can adjust. This humidifier covers up to a 753 square foot room. So here is the mist level all the way at level 5, and you can see it's just billowing out of the machine. And now I'm going to use the remote and dial it back down to the lowest setting so you can see the difference. One of the most important features about this humidifier is that you can use it year-round. Let me show you how to switch it over to the warm setting. You just hit this button right here, and wow, it feels so warm. I can't wait to use this setting in the winter. It also has a light that you can turn on and off, and it's this beautiful shade of blue. So as you can see, it's a very soothing blue light, and it's very spa-like. So yeah, I definitely recommend this humidifier if you're looking to get one for yourself. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this product review, and like I mentioned before, the product link will be in the description box in case you would like to get more information about it. And I will see you in the next video.